Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to kick anyone out of your Netflix account. So if you've shared your password and your username with other people that you don't want to use your account any longer, there is an easy way to kick them out. Let me show you how to do it. You have to do this outside of the mobile app or your TV app. You have to go to Netflix.com. I'm on my phone here. You could do this on a computer. Go to Netflix.com and sign into your account. So here I have a sign in option. Same is true on a computer. Go ahead and sign in. So now that you're signed into Netflix, on a computer, this will be on the right side, but on the mobile devices on the left side, this browser version, click those three lines here and go to Accounts. On a desktop, look for the same option. Once you go to Account here, you'll have some options here. You could see your membership and billing, change email, change password, and so on. This is what we want to do. We want to change password. So we want to type in our current password and new password. But what we really want to focus on is this checkbox here. Require all devices to sign in again with a new password. You have to make sure you check that. This will actually then require them to know the new password, which they won't know because you're going to change it right here. Once you're done, go ahead and press save. But we're not done here. It's going to take us back to this account page. And let me scroll down to show you one more thing you got to press. Come down to the settings part of the page here. Same thing with a computer, the settings of the page. And there's an option that says sign out of all devices. Press that. And it says, are you sure you want to sign out of all devices? So anyone that has access to your password or your account will be signed out. And because you changed your password and required them to put in the new password, they're going to have to sign back in with that. Obviously, they won't have that since you changed it. And it says this will take up to 8 hours because some devices, if they're in the middle of a show, they're not going to get kicked out right at that moment, but they will get kicked out the next time they press play. So go ahead and sign out of all devices. And with the new password, you could sign into the devices you actually want to. This will kick off every single other person. I hope you found this useful and you could take your Netflix account back for yourself. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I post super easy to follow tech videos just like this one every single day with over 500 videos already made, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.